Good morning, Mark. Please have a seat.
Good morning, Miss Evans. Thank you.
My pleasure. So, Mark, thank you for coming in today. I've reviewed your resume and it's quite impressive. Let's start by having you tell me a little bit about yourself and your background.
Certainly. Well, I recently graduated from university with a degree in marketing, and I've always been passionate about digital communication. During my studies, I completed an internship at XYZ Agency, where I gained hands-on experience in social media management and content creation. I'm a quick learner, highly motivated, and I thrive in dynamic environments.
That's great to hear. Our company, Innovate Tech, is looking for someone with a strong understanding of current digital trends. What specifically attracted you to this digital marketing specialist's position with us?
Innovate Tech's reputation for innovation and your recent campaign for the Eco Smart Home product really caught my attention. I admire your commitment to sustainable technology, and I believe my skills in audience engagement and data analysis would be a perfect fit to contribute to similar impactful projects. I'm particularly interested in how your team leverages analytics to refine strategies.
Excellent. Can you tell me about a time you faced a challenge in a previous role or academic project and how you overcame it?
Yes. During my internship, we were tasked with increasing engagement for a client's new product launch, but the initial strategy wasn't yielding the expected results. I took the initiative to research competitor strategies and proposed A/B testing different content types. We analyzed the data daily, optimized our approach based on the findings, and ultimately exceeded our engagement targets by 15% within 3 weeks.
That demonstrates strong problem-solving skills. Finally, do you have any questions for me about the role or the company?
Yes, I do. Could you describe the typical day-to-day responsibilities for this position? And also, what opportunities are there for professional development within Innovate Tech?
That's a great question. Well, Mark, it was a pleasure speaking with you today. We'll be reviewing all applications over the next week, and we'll be in touch regarding the next steps.
Thank you, Miss Evans. It was a pleasure meeting you too. I look forward to hearing from you.
Goodbye, Mark.
Goodbye.